I like Disney. Disney's cute and stuff, but the rides and everything, you can walk around, but if you're having doubts, don't do it. Especially the day we went, it was hot. Oh my God, it was burning up. I was just sweating. Oh my God, I was cooking. I just wanted to go somewhere inside where they had the air conditioning. I love air conditioning. As soon as it hits you, you know what I'm talking about. It's all hot. It hits you. They had a thing where they were showing a preview of that Finding Nemo movie, the fishing movie. And we went in to go see it, but before we did, they were selling these little Mickey chocolate milkshakes right outside. So I got two of them because they're small, right? And had little ears and stuff on them, right? So I was tearing them up. But I forgot that some of these products are made with vitamin D milk, and I don't have, I can't handle vitamin D. It affects me. I'm sitting there trying to watch the preview for Finding Nemo, From behind me, the little kids are like, oh, I got the shine. So we left the little Finding Nemo little attraction thingy, right? We're walking around the park. His kids wanted to get on a roller coaster. I'm like, and I get on, because they have too many seatbelts, too many safety restraints. They got the whole. That's why the rides are so quiet. You can't breathe. That's why I love old school roller coasters. Old ones that had one bar, 3 clicks, that was it. Every now and then somebody would. But at least we could ride. But I don't know, right on my mind, I'm not about to get on one of these coasters. Because Gabriel, don't worry. There's a ride that we can get on here at the park that has no seatbelts and no pull bars. Which one? It's called Splash Mountain. I go, what's Splash Mountain? He goes, it's a log, and you get inside the log, it goes in the water, it goes uphill, and it goes down, and makes a splash. No seatbelts, no seatbelt, no pull bar, no pull bar. Let's do it. We got all excited, right? We run to the line like little kids. Come on. We're getting closer and closer and closer, and as we're getting closer, there's all kinds of little kids walking in the opposite direction who've already been on the ride. And I gotta tell you something about little kids. They can be really mean, because they're walking by us and they're like, uh-oh. Their boat's gonna go fast. As we keep walking, there's this girl selling these little white tickets because apparently they take a picture of you when you're going downhill to get that look of on your face, right? So she's trying to keep you from, waiting in line. So, sir, would you like to purchase a picture? No, that's okay, really. Mondo like, dude, just buy it. Trust me, I'll pay you back. Like, dude, all right, here. Thank you. All right. Mondo, why do you want a picture, dude? I want to remember this. He goes, Gabriel, no. We're going to make it a special picture. What do you mean, a special picture? He goes, yeah, when we go downhill and it takes the photo, let's flash the camera. Oh, sure thing, sexy bitch. Let's flash the camera. I don't think so, bro. He goes, no, Gabriel, it'll be funny. You don't understand. It'll be funny. And I started thinking about it. Yeah. It'll be funny, right? So we get all excited. We're getting excited. We're going to do it. Okay, let's do it. All right. Right now, getting closer. We get to the front of the line. Well, almost the front of the line, right? There's like 4 people or 5 people in front of us and stuff. And then we got to deal with the lady with the headset on. The one with the power trip. The one whose only job is to help you get into one of the boats, But no, she takes it to a whole nother level. Okay, how many people? How many? 4? Okay, 2 right here, 2 right here. How many more? 1 right here. We get to the front. How many? Yeah, I got a code too. You see him in the monitor? You sure? Okay. Okay, both of you can have this one right here, and that's it. Oh, come on, let's go. She makes the announcement, we take off. splashing water like little kids. 3 minutes of splishing and splashing. Finally, the moment of truth. We get to the hill. We get off the boat, we're soaking wet. A rosado right here. Fresh. We get to the bottom of the hill and we see that same girl who was selling the little tickets, but now she's behind a counter in front of a big screen with all kinds of little screens inside of it, and she has a different look on her face. A look like she saw something she never saw before, because she was freaking out, right? She's like, oh. And she had a magazine and she's covering one of the pictures. I'm like, Mondo, what boat are we? 22. Dude, she's covering boat number 22. We're gonna get busted. Dude, don't worry, let's sneak out of here. Dude, let's sneak out of here. They're coming. We managed to get past the picture girl, but then we get stopped by Disney security. Again, people who have a problem with their position at Disneyland. This guy obviously wanted to be a real cop, couldn't hang, so now he applied at Disney and he's abusing small children with his power, you know. This guy was hardcore too. Hey! Hey! Get over here! Right here! Ma'am, could you please move your hand away from the screen? Thank you. You two gentlemen see what I see here? You see this? This is a disgrace to Disney and everything it stands for. We can't believe anyone could take such a photo. My question to both of you. You guys recognize the two large females in this picture? And it wasn't until we actually looked at the photo that we come to realize something about ourselves. And that is that when two fluffy men are going downhill at a 45-degree angle with no shirts on going like this, and the one in the back is wearing a bra because he's going to role play when he gets to the house. We both look like a couple of sexy bitches.